What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I have a high yield real estate investment trust that I have been buying like crazy. I love this dividend stock. This is part 2 of the series of the real estate investment trust, the top REITs of 2023. This REIT has solid dividend growth and revenue. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Of course, this is not financial advice for entertainment purposes, only disclaimer in the description. Smash that like button. Let's check this readout right now. This is one of my favorite real estate investment trusts. That is National Retail Properties. Average volume 915.01K, market cap 8.42 billion US dollars. The G range is 3805 to 4876. Day range is 4630 to 4711, and its previous close is 4672. Look at these guys. These guys are down, which makes them very attractive as a dividend stock. So I'm going to go over these guys as a dividend stock and as a company and why I keep on buying them. So here's one thing that's very exciting. They're very transparent on their website. They have 99.4% occupancy. 3,349 properties, 380 plus tenants. They're in 48 states with 34.3 million square feet, 37 lines of trade. So look at what they have. This is their portfolio. And I love the way they're so transparent on their website. 7-Eleven, they have 138 properties. Mr. Car Wash, 121. Camping World, 47. LA Fitness, 30. GPM, 152. Flynn Restaurant, 204. Dave & Buster's, 28. AMC, 20. AMC Pay Your Landlord, NNN, thank you. BJ's Wholesale Club, 13. Mavis Tire Express Services, 134. So this is what's very exciting. They have a lot of properties. Bob Evans, look at this, 106. And their highest properties right up here. Camping World, Mr. Car Wash, 7-Eleven. Flynn's Restaurant Group, which is Taco Bell and Arby's. Dave & Buster's, 28. And again, you know, they have a pretty strong portfolio. So that I like the way that they're, again, so transparent. In each state, they tell you what's on it. So that's one thing that I really like. So I'm going to go over a few other things. Look at their total shareholder return. So here's their 4.7% dividend yield that they have. Now, in 30 years, the return was 11.5%. So again, the shareholder return is down right here in the past year. Okay, in the past 5 years is 3.8%. So it has gone up over time. But since these guys are down, I mean, look at how they're doing against the net right here, the NREIT, the Morgan Stanley REIT Index, S&P 500, and the S&P 400. So since these guys are down, this makes these guys very attractive to me as a dividend investor. This is why I have them in my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and I'm going to continue to buy more. They're at a discount. They're cheaper. Look at this. They're way up before, and they're down 3.3%. So this is why I'm digging in and capitalizing on these guys, and I own a decent amount of shares with these guys. Now let's go over their revenue and dividend history. And revenue-wise, this is in millions US dollars. 2015, it was 482. 2016, 533. 2017, 584. 2018, 622. 2019, 670. 2020, a little bit of a dip. You can blame the pandemic. 660, but look at that rebound from 660 to 726. That's a huge increase in revenue from 2015 to 2021. There's more information I want to show you. On their website, here's the most recent third quarter results. Core FFO guidance for 2022 increased from range from 307 to 312 per share to a range of 311 to 315 per share. The AFFO is estimated to be 318 to 322. The core FFO guidance equates to net earnings of $1.85 to $1.89 per share, plus $1.26 per share of expected real estate depreciation and amortization that includes any gains from sale of real estate, charges or impairments, executive, and retirement costs. The guidance is based on current plans and assumptions and subject to risks and uncertainties more fully described in the press release and the company's reports filled with Securities and Exchange. So here's some other information that have me interested. They invested in $587.7 million in property investments, including the acquisition of 154 properties with an aggregate huge square feet of leasable area with a current cash yield of 6.2%. They did sell 26 properties for $49.2 million, proceeding in $10.7 million gains on sales. So that's one thing that's very attractive to me. So, the FFO right here, the September 30th right here. So 9 months ending in September 30th right here, FFO available to common share stockholders. 2021, it was 71 cents, and it did 79 cents in 2022. FFO per common share, again, for FFO, 71 cents, 79 cents. AFFO, 75 cents 2021 to 2022, 81 cents. So that's one thing that is quite attractive. I kind of like their FFO. I like their revenue, and I'll go over their dividend growth. Let's check that out. Now, their dividend growth is a little bit slower, but I like their hikes over time. So 2010, it was 38 cents. 2011, it cracked 39 cents. 2012, it cracked 40 cents. 2013, it cracked 41 cents. 2014, it cracked 42 cents. 2015, 44. 2016, 46. 2017, 48. 2018, 50 cents. 2019, 52 cents. And then 2021, 53 cents. And then 2022, 55 cents. The payout ratio is 70%. Number of dividend increases in the last 5 years is 5. Dividend growth in 5 years, it's not too bad. It's 2.51%. These guys did pretty well during the pandemic. I'm not going to, and they did rebound during the pandemic. So I still like these guys. They'd have to do something crazy. They have a lot of properties. If you bought one share, you made $220 with a 4.67% dividend yield. I'm going to continue to buy these guys. I have them in a high percentage of my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. Let me know what you think of NNN is a REIT. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Dark Dividend. You guys have a good one.